Hi friends, today we are going to see exercise 9.1 16th sum. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of a tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So see here the given is, let this AB be the tower. We are viewing the top of a tower from 2 points. See here. Let the points be C and D. They are given that the 2 points are at a distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. So, let this C point be at a distance of 4 meter and the other point is at a distance of 9 meter from the base of the tower. So, let that point be D. Now, see here the angles of elevation. See here. From these 2 points we are viewing the top of the tower, right? So, here these two are angles of elevation and it is said that these two angles are complementary. First, we have to know what is complementary. Complementary of angles are those when the angles sum up to 90 degree, then the angle said to be complementary angles. So here we can say that if this angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus theta, such that they are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So what we have to prove is this AB, the height of the tower is 6 meter. We have to prove this. Let me assume that as H. So first let us write the given. BC is equal to 4 meter. Distance between the tower and point C. And BD is equal to 9 meter. That is the distance between tower and point D. So here what we have to prove is, to prove this height is 6 meter. So that is AB is equal to, we assume that as H, which is equal to 6 meter. That is the height of the tower. So we have to prove this statement. So first let us write the proof. So first let us consider this ABC triangle. In right triangle ABC, the angle C is theta, right? So we can write that as ACB is equal to theta. See here we know that the side that lies opposite to the angle is the opposite side. So for both the angles, this is the opposite side and this side is the adjacent side. So here we have the values of adjacent side and we have to prove the opposite side. So I will be using the ratio that includes this opposite and adjacent. So we know that that is tan theta, which is equal to opposite by adjacent. So here it is tan theta is equal to opposite side is AB. AB by adjacent is BC. So here tan theta is equal to AB is, we assumed as H and BC is 4. So let me assume this as our first equation. Now let us consider this bigger triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, we know that angle D is 90 minus theta. So I can write that as angle ADB is equal to 90 minus theta. So here also we have to apply the same ratio, which is tan theta. Here angle is 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BD. See here tan 90 minus theta is equal to h by, so the BD is 9. So see here, we know that tan and cot are complementary angles. So this tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. Cot theta is equal to h by 9. So now see here, we know that tan and cot are also reciprocal. That is, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. They are reciprocal to each other. So, I am just going to apply that. 1 by tan theta is equal to h by 9. And this further can be written as h is equal to 9 tan theta. So, we can write this as h into tan theta is equal to 9. So, see here, let this be our second equation. Now, I am just going to substitute this tan theta value in our second equation. So, substituting tan theta is equal to h by 4 into, we get h into, see, h by 4 is equal to 9. So, when we multiply this, we get h squared by 4 is equal to 9, which is h squared is equal to 36. When we take root of this, root of 36 is equal to, when we take root of this, it is plus or minus 6, right? So now we know that the height cannot be negative. It can be only positive. So we can conclude that height is equal to 6 meters. So see here, this is what we have to prove. The height as 6 meters. So hence, proved. Thanks for watching.